Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do head cleaning cycles on a Brother MFC-J5335DW. Now this is a simple process, can be done from the printer itself using the control panel we can see here. Now if you're not already on this home screen, just press this one, be returned to it, and then we go into settings, which is shown at the bottom here with a spanner and a screwdriver. Click in there. Then we want to go to maintenance, which is on the top left. And then head cleaning is the second option down, so we click into there. Now, to help you conserve ink, you've got the option for black, colour only, or all. So, depending upon your issue, you click the relevant option. I have the slightest of issues with cyan, so go into there. And for even greater conservation, we even have a scale of cleaning strength listed here. So, the lines it's referring to are from a nozzle check test page, which I have an example of a decent one right here. So, as you can see, it's just asking if there are any patches missing. And you can get it anything from just one or two missing lines all the way up to something like this, where we've got quite a severe issue and even a bit of contamination here. If you do have any signs of contamination, I would recommend going for a more severe clean than you feel is necessary. But back to the screen. I'm going to click a normal one for that very slight issue I've got. Press start, and away we go. Now on this machine, the actual cleaning does take a good while, but thankfully when it's done, it gives you a nice tone to tell you to return to the printer, where you can do more test pages, more cleans, whatever you find necessary to get your prints looking as you want. And that's about all there is to see. So I hope you found this video useful. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments down below. As always, we'd be most grateful for a like and a subscription, all of that. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.